Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Uh, Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Bagas Budi Wicaksono. I'm here with my colleagues and my team, Miss Rini Kurniasari and Miss Erina Sofania, and myself, Bagas Budi Wicaksono. And here to present our paper with title of Strategic Decision Making for Developing High-Skill Labor, the Role of AI Adoption, Digital Leadership, and Environmental Turbulence. This video was requirement to submission for ICOBAR, International Conference on Biospheric Harmony 2026. For introduction, AI is becoming emerging pivotal enabler. Is critical condition that in business we are using AI for operational, finance, and also supporting our business. Also, AI can predict and give business analytics and give customer experience in order to make them even satisfied. This research is conducted with using primary data, and we are using structural equation modeling in order to investigate the factor influencing of AI adoption, digital leadership, and environmental turbulence, and that impact to strategic decision making. So many preliminary research was conducted to guide comprehensive research approach, and many study has proved and support this finding of research. And then we have literature review. There is some definition of the basic concept of our variable as an AI adoption, digital leadership, and strategic decision making. These three variables conduct in basic theory, AI adoption as a independent variable, digital leadership as a mediating variable or intervening variable, and then strategic decision making as a dependent variable or Y variable. And then we have moderating variable. This is what we call environmental turbulence. It refers to the degree of uncertainty, dynamism, and unpredictability in an organization external environment. So many organizations facing the turbulence basically from environment. So we have to put our attention carefully about this matter. And then we have concern about high skill labor because our research subject is a SME owner and SME worker. And Indonesia also is having shifting economic structure from formal sector to informal sector. So we have to focus on develop high skill labor. So high skill labor indicates with knowledge, specialized expertise, and professional competencies acquired through higher education, training, and experience. And this is our methodology. We have structural equation modeling. We are using primary data. We have 204 respondents, and we are using SMART-PLS as data refinement. This is our hypothesis framework. We have 6 hypotheses. 4 of them is direct hypothesis or direct relation, and the rest of 2 is indirect relation. This is our distribution of respondent characteristic. As you can see, we have many indicators as gender, age, and income level per month, every individual. And this is our output for Smart PLS 3.0. As you can see, there is a outer model, which is indicator or question that is represent the latent variable. and we can simplify the result. As you can see, every indicators have outer loadings above 0.7. It means that every indicator is having best validity to represent latent variable, because latent variable is an abstract variable or abstract object, so we have to measure it with question, and the question is reflect with indicator. So the green numbers refers to better condition, and it has so much validity condition. Also, in reliability and validity, we also have number 0.7 above 0.7, and also this research is having better reliability, and all of our variable is consistently showing validity, and we have strong reliability. That means that you can rely on AI adoption, digital leadership, and environmental turbulence in order to measure impact to strategic decision. And also we have HTMT test, which is hetero-thread mono-thread test, in order to testing is there any difference between question, yeah, for each variable, and the number is below 0.9, which means that our respondent can tell the difference between every question, and it is good example for doing research. So the higher is 0.8, but it is not higher than 0.9, yeah. So it is a good implication. And then we have hypothesis testing. So in order to measure the model, we have to doing some hypothesis test. As you can see, there are some result, yeah. For 6 hypothesis tests, we have 3 result which is not significant, primarily including the environmental turbulence, yeah, the direct one, and then the moderating effect. Why is that? Because environmental turbulence is cannot, yeah, affect directly and indirectly for digital leadership and strategic decision. So you have to uh, put this result, yeah, in study limitation, because this study reflect the real condition, and our environmental turbulence is having not so significant conditions, but that's okay. But in conclusion, our measurement model is highly robust with all latent variable, showing excellent internal consistency and strong discriminant validity. Yeah, reflect in outer model number, which is above 0.7. Yeah, AI adoption and environmental turbulence are identified significant direct drivers. Digital leadership serves as critical determinant of effective strategic decision making, and there is positive effect of AI adoption and digital leaderships on strategic outcome. And there is suggestion that many SME owners or SME workers should adopt artificial intelligence in order to make strategic decision making even better. Okay, I think that's it for the presentation. Maybe we can continue on the discussion or question and answer session. Thank you, committee. Thank you, the audience, for this opportunity. I sign out. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan, Rahayu. Thank you.